Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 20th, and this is my analysis of the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So today is federal funds interest rate news for the US. Definitely going to be a very volatile day for the dollar, especially when the news comes out. I will be live streaming on YouTube for that, so definitely make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you do not miss out on my YouTube live stream today. So on the monthly time frame, I still actually think this is very likely to be going up. I still think it is most likely going to eventually go up and take out these highs, and I still think it eventually will go up to one of these fib extension levels before we do get a bigger push to the downside. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is a wave 1. I still think this is a running flat wave 2 because 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down. Higher high wave B, higher high wave C definitely fits the characteristics of a running flat wave 2. If that is the case, then this is probably a 1. I'm actually starting to think that maybe it will go down, take out these lows to make a more proper looking wave 2, and then eventually, maybe in a few weeks, maybe several weeks, go up for that wave 3. So going down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, this move down right here I was originally thinking was the end of a correction, but after seeing price action and looking at all the pairs across the board, I actually think this is like a leaning diagonal wave A, and I think this is 3 waves up for wave B, just a higher high wave B as you can see, and I think there's a very good likelihood now we are probably going down for wave C. It doesn't necessarily have to take out this low. I mean, it could turn at one of these fib levels, but I still think this is a wave 2, and I still think eventually, maybe in a few weeks, it will continue up for that big wave 3. 1, 2, and 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I mean, we can't forget that we have a big news event coming out today. And if this does, go down, make a new low, and then go up and break structure and hold above structure, which is very key for me, then I would definitely start looking for longs at that point for the continuation of the uptrend. But looking at the longer time frames and looking across the board, I actually think the trend is down, and I actually think that it might continue down. Today's news does very often cause a spike reversal, so I actually think it's going to go up, probably finish off an ABC correction, and then I think it's going to end up continuing the downtrend. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, to me, this looks very impulsive up. I actually think this move down might be a correction, and I think there's a good chance that this may either go up prior to the news or at the news it's going to do one of those famous spike reversals, and that's going to end up being an A, a B, and a wave C correction. But we still have a lot of time before the news comes out. We got about 8 hours. A lot can happen in 8 hours, which is why I'm doing a live stream today, so that way we can watch the news together, and hopefully we can make some nice profits on this trade. I usually do enter a trade before the news comes out, so we'll see what it looks like right before the news. So, as always, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked up here in the card above, and also don't forget to check out my free or my new website linked down here in the corner. As always, thanks and happy trading.